Hello, I'm Jeff Wilson, founder and CEO of Pereview. If you've been following along in our Power of Pereview series, you've already heard of us talk about a few core principles. We first started talking about the importance of centralizing and standardizing all of your data. We then talked about simplifying your tech stack. And more recently, we talked about using Excel for what it's really good at, which is modeling, and really not as a database. We believe that your Excel model should be connected to Pereview so that in essence you can have your cake and eat it too. So now that you've centralized and standardized your data, you've simplified your tech stack, you've integrated Excel the right way, but all of that's in place, that's when the real transformation begins. Because now you're set up to automate something that's often a major pain point in real estate asset management, and that's reporting. At Pereview, we see this as a tipping point where automation begins to deliver real ROI. In real estate investment management, reporting tends to fall into one of two buckets. On the one, you've got quick, one-off, ad hoc reports, and then the other, which is larger, recurring monthly and quarterly reports, which tends to be time-consuming and very manual. That's because very often it involves stitching together data from various different sources like accounting and underwriting, or pulling projected cash flows from your asset models, or leverage information, and much, much more. But with Pereview, that all changes. Pereview centralizes and standardizes all of your data so that you can automate those reports. Reports like quarterly investment summaries or tear sheets, debt and financing reports, or annual business plans, you name it. With automation, our clients see about a 90% reduction in time and energy spent on reporting. So instead of spending weeks chasing down numbers and fixing pound ref errors, you're spending minutes reviewing and improving reports, allowing you to spend much more time on more value-added activities. This isn't just a time saver, it's a shift in how your team operates. You see, traditionally, as AUM grows, headcount tends to grow alongside it. But when you automate your reporting, you're able to break that cycle, and you're able to grow AUM without growing headcount in parallel. You're able to scale smarter and become more capital efficient. You're no longer just keeping up, you're getting ahead. You need to know trailing 12-month occupancy on a particular asset, or portfolio-wide debt maturity schedules, or what tenant rollovers look like in the next 90 days, you got it instantly, literally at the click of a button. You can even now start digging into bigger questions, such as, are we really paying 4% commissions across the board like we budgeted, or is it something less? How is our multifamily traffic really leading to future occupancy gains? Where are our returns across our portfolio the strongest, and why? And because all of your data is clean and connected, you're ready for what's next, which is predictive and prescriptive analytics that support smarter, forward-looking decisions. The best part of all of this is you don't need 5 different systems and 3 costly integration projects to get there. You just need Pereview. This kind of efficiency is not just a nice to have anymore, it's the new baseline. And that's the power of Pereview. Please visit us at pereviewsoftware.com to learn more. Thanks for your time.